Go to Google, then search YouTube to MP3. Then click YouTube to MP3. Click YouTube to MP3. Open. That's it. Then next, go to app YouTube. Then search sound effects what you want. Funny sound effects. What effects you really add into your movie project. So mini sound effects. So let's try sound effects Bill. Sorry, my language barrier. That's it. Next, click share. Cut the arrow. Copy URL. Then back to Google and paste the URL. Then convert. Then click Dropbox center. Then save into Dropbox below. So that's it. Sorry for the slow internet connection. Then next, back to Dropbox. Find your recently added sound effects. So first one, check your recently added effects. So yeah, that's it. So next, export into iMovie, or you have KineMaster also. Then go to your project movie and then click, then add sound effects. That's it. So that's all. Thank you. That's my sound effects exported into iMovie apps.